Hi everyone, this is Marilyn and welcome back to The Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. For today's project, I'm creating 4 heart-shaped polyurethane resin coasters inspired by the classic conversation heart candies we all know and love. Each coaster will be made with a different pastel color with a message. These are the products I'll be using today. The polyurethane resin in white after dried, the Mateo crystal glitter, T-Expert pigments, T-Expert epoxy resin for the top coat. I'll be using the Cricut Joy to cut my Oracle 651 vinyl in red. And these are the coaster molds I will be using. So if you're interested in making this project, all these products will be linked in the description down below. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, now we just wait 10 minutes or a little less, and then I can cut the vinyl and place it. Okay, now that they're all ready, I've already cut all of the messages. So now it's just a matter of placing them and then doing the top coat, and then we're done. It's pretty easy. Okay, they are ready. Love the molding. I absolutely love how these conversation heart coasters turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out all of the amazing creators participating in the Coasting Through the Week collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.